Alright, boys. You want to try this new thing first? Okay. First, I'm going to give you some bacon and see what you do with that. Get back over there, little wiener. Ready? Come here. Good boys. What goes good with bacon? Hey! Oh! No. I messed up. Ah! You knocked the egg out of my hand. Hold on a second. Get out of there! Let's try this again. Oops, get over there. Come on, stay. What are you going to do with that? Good boy. Almost Butters. Butters wants to pick it up. You want to pick it up? You're afraid to break it. You're going to lick up the egg booger? Okay. Are you guys going to pick it up or what? Eggs and bacon, boys. Eggs and bacon. Delicious. Good boy! Look at you! You got the egg! Where are you going? Where are you going? Good boy! Now what are you going to do with it? Good job! Look at you! Uh-oh! I think we have a cracker. Oh, yep, it cracked a little bit. Let me take this one out of commission. That's pretty good. What about that egg, boys? What about that egg? What do you do with that one? Here, you want to try this one? Is this one any better? Well, they both had it in their mouth for a little bit. Good boys. You'd rather have the bacon than the eggs, huh? What about you? You want some bacon? Want some bacon? Here, go over there. Get over here. Come on, get here. Good boys. Up. There you go. Bacon and eggs goes pretty good, boys. What do you think?